Good evening. I'm Melvin Johnson, president of Tennessee State University. The proposed May Town Center development project in Bells Bend and the May family's gift of land to Tennessee State University has brought into sharp focus the complex and sometimes conflicting interests that members of a shared community can have. Thus, I wish to thank the Metro Planning Commission for allowing us to present at this public hearing. Tennessee State University strongly supports the proposed Research Park and Center for Sustainable Agriculture at Bells Bend. First, Bells Bend is located approximately 3.5 miles from Tennessee State University, meaning that it's closer to TSU than our downtown campus. Geographically, it's an ideal location for agricultural expansion consistent with the university's land-grant mission. Second, close proximity to the Maytown Center's business campus will afford collaborative, entrepreneurial, and employment opportunities for students and faculty. As such, it's a natural fit. We see it as an opportunity to conduct world-class research, to develop agricultural practices that produce abundant food without depleting natural resources or polluting the environment. Research areas may include the following: biosecurity, biofuels, organic farming, and alternative crops. The May family has agreed to give three things to Tennessee State University: a contribution for an endowed chair for sustainable agriculture, 200 acres for a research farm, and 50 acres for a university research park. These will further enhance the university's educational, teaching, and research missions. The research park concept anticipates public and private partnerships with companies that affiliate and or locate within the Maytown Center, as well as collaboration with other universities that may lease space in the research park. It's been shown by the American Association of University Research Parks that for every job created in a research park, 2.57 additional jobs are generated. Our state university study indicated a multiplier of additional jobs of 1.78, which is supported in the wider economy. By conservative estimates, TSU's research park could employ approximately 3,000 people directly and create over 5,300 other jobs. I wish to publicly thank the May family for their extraordinary generosity to Tennessee State University and the greater Nashville community. The establishment of the Maytown Center and TSU's Center for Sustainable Agriculture and Research Park underscores the importance of mission-driven research to the vitality of the university and the region. Hands-on research experiences are essential to preparing our students to excel and invent in the 21st century workplace. Thank you for your attention, and thank you for your consideration.